Good evening and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Nana Sareen and you're watching the Reality Rundown. In today's bulletin, we bring you the latest updates from across the nation, state and region. Have a look. A bus carrying 9 Vaishnavite preachers from Thakurbari in Bijni Chirang to the ISKCON temple in Mayapur, West Bengal met with an accident on National Highway 27 at number 1, Nachanguri, Bongaigaon district. 4 passengers, Swapan Das, Nirbhaya Gaur Haridas, Dayananda Das and Naru Gopal Das were injured and admitted to Dr. House Clinic for treatment. The accident occurred due to the bus hitting a large pothole. The Northeast Frontier Railway announced the restoration of train services in Silchar on July 6th, following the operationalization of the Pith line. The resumed trains include 05659 Silchar Shribar passenger, 05567 Silchar Bhairabi passenger, and 15641 Silchar New Tinsukia Express trains. 05660 Shribar Silchar passenger, 05568 Bhairabi Silchar passenger, and 15642 New Tinsukia Silchar Express will resume on July 7th. The services were disrupted due to flooding from incessant rainfall on July 1st, which caused the Jatinga River to overflow and submerge National Highway 27 between Jatinga and Haflong, leaving travelers stranded. Authorities are working to clear and restore the highway. In a solemn ceremony at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, President Draupadi Murmu posthumously awarded the Shaurya Chakra to Rifleman Alok Rao of 18 Assam Rifles. Rao was recognized for his extraordinary courage during an intense operation in Manipur. In May 2023, he bravely returned fire against armed insurgents, preventing a devastating attack and saving numerous lives. Despite sustaining a fatal gunshot wound, he continued to fight until his last breath. Rao's parents received the award, honoring his indomitable spirit and supreme bravery. Arunachal Pradesh police arrested Chanchal Moran and Nirmal Moran, residents of Assam's Tinsukia district, for extortion activities linked to Alpha in Namsai district. The duo demanded Rs 15 lakhs from a shopkeeper and were apprehended in Marwa, Chongkham Circle, with Rs 95,500 in extorted cash. The police seized 2 dummy AK rifles, a 9mm pistol, mobile phones and a motorbike. The joint operation involved Namsai and Wakro police supported by 11 Assam Rifles and was led by Inspector J. Aran and SI A. Chandra. Arunachal Pradesh Deputy Commissioner Sweta Nagar Koti Mehta inspected National Highway 415, deploying manpower and machinery due to continuous rainfall and potential landslides. The Highway Department has been instructed to keep personnel and equipment ready. At Karsinga block, where a massive landslide occurred, a traffic advisory was issued and traffic was redirected via Gumto. The DC also inspected the 6 kilo block section and directed immediate debris clearance at Lekhi. Mehta visited multiple landslide sites on the state highway through Ganga Lake to Butt village, emphasizing continuous monitoring and clearance by the PWD. Security forces apprehended Kundrak Pam Kiran Singh, an active member of the People's Revolutionary Party of Kangleipak, Pre-Pak Progressive in Uchathal, Jiribam district. Singh, involved in extortion activities, posed a significant threat to local businesses and residents. His arrest is considered a major setback to the insurgent group's regional operations. Tripura Chief Minister Manik Saha attended a cultural program in Agartala to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee, the founder of Jan Sangha. The event, marked by various cultural performances, highlighted Mukherjee's contributions to Indian politics and his vision for the nation. Speaking at the program, Chief Minister Saha paid tribute to Mukherjee's legacy and emphasized the importance of his ideals in contemporary India. In Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Bajrang Dal protesters were detained by the Gujarat police as they staged a demonstration against Congress MP and Lok Sabha leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi's visit. The protest was in response to Gandhi's controversial remarks about Hindus during a speech in the Lok Sabha. Authorities detained the protesters to maintain public order and ensure the security of the event. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddharamaiah inaugurated the 2024 Senior Police Officers Conference at the office of the State Directorate General of Police in Bengaluru. During the event, Chief Minister Siddharamaiah also launched new software aimed at enhancing police efficiency and streamlining operations. The event gathered senior police officials from across the state to discuss strategies, review progress, and address challenges in maintaining law and order. Union Home Minister Amit Shah attended the Sahkar Se Samriddhi program in Gandhinagar, commemorating the 102nd International Cooperative Day. During the event, Shah launched whole wheat flour by Bharat Organics and inaugurated the Amul Organic store in Delhi's Mayur Bihar. The program highlighted the role of cooperatives in promoting economic prosperity and sustainable development. Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.
Looking for the ultimate summer adventure for your kids? Look no further because Madhus Pride Pre-Primary School in Guwahati's Lasit Nagar presents Masti Unlimited 3.0 Summer Camp. From thrilling elephant rides to exciting themed days, every day is a new adventure. With storytelling, pool parties, drama and dream catchers, your child's imagination comes to life. Plus, delicious lunch and snacks provided daily. Join us from July 1st to 7th, 9:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Open to ages 2 to 14. Call 7086073333 or 9435653900 to enroll now. Give them a summer they will never forget.